Welcome to our webinar. I am very pleased to introduce our new online marketing product today, which will help you be better found locally. For local businesses, it is crucial to be visible where potential customers are searching, mostly on the internet. A recent study by LocaliQ shows that 70% of consumers visit a store because of information found online. Near me searches have increased by 136% in recent years, and over 50% of these searches lead to a store visit. Directories like Google Business Profile, Bing, and Yellow Pages are therefore essential for the visibility and accessibility of local businesses. A presence in these directories increases visibility and improves search engine rankings, as well-maintained and informative listings enhance a business's credibility. Let's start with setting up your profile. Go to the Business Profile section and enter a brief and detailed description of your business, including relevant keywords. Then, add your opening hours, logo, and appealing images. A complete profile is crucial for an effective online presence. Once completed, you can publish your profile in the major online directories with a single click. This saves time and ensures that your business data is consistent and up to date. In the Listings and Publishing menu, you can publish your profile using the Publish button. Changes can be made in real time, so your profile always contains the latest information. The publication status and specific entries can be viewed via blue hyperlinks. Now, let's discuss the Google Business Profile. This plays a central role in local online marketing. It appears prominently in search results and on Google Maps, allowing customers to quickly see what your business has to offer. Additionally, customers can perform actions directly from the profile, such as making reservations, visiting the website, or getting directions to your business. Next, we move to the area of web reputation. Here, you can view and respond to customer reviews. You will also gain valuable insights into your online reputation and can compare it with that of your competitors. Since 88% of consumers read customer reviews before making a purchase, this area is crucial for optimizing your marketing efforts. Now let's look at performance measurement and profile details. A well-utilized Google Business Profile not only improves visibility and customer interaction, but also allows for precise measurement of these interactions. In the Insights menu, you can track important metrics such as website visits, call frequency, and directions to your business. These data help you understand the impact of your online presence and make improvements. In the Profile Fine-Tuning section, you can add additional details such as services and special attributes, for example, accessibility, to enhance the relevance and attractiveness of your listing. Finally, let's talk about engagement. Our product also supports you in publishing posts and events on social media and Google. Regular updates such as special offers or news keep your audience informed and engaged. By integrating with social media platforms, you reach your potential customers directly. Additionally, our AI assistant provides content suggestions, helping you create relevant and engaging material that fosters interaction. Thank you for your attention. We hope you now have a good overview of our local online marketing product. We are always available for further questions. We wish you much success with your business.